Welcome to Machine Station. I'm Joe Chavez. Today, I would like to present to you a 2021 Haas VF-6. This machine's equipped with a high-speed spindle of 10,000 RPM, a 30+1 tool changer, tool presetter, Renishaw tool probing, the next-gen Haas control. Machine's conveniently located here in Lake Elsinore, California, where you can come see it under power and in action. In the next slide, I'm going to show the machine under power, run it through its paces. Should you have any questions or would like more information on this particular machine, please give us a call at 909-919-9600 or visit us at the website www.machinestation.us. Take care and keep innovating.